Namaste everyone, Jai Shri Ram. Myself Pratish Kumar from 9th B and I am here with the working model of hydroelectric power generation. Generally, hydroelectric power generation is used to generate electricity from fast flowing water which falls on a turbine, and when this turbine rotates, it generates the electricity, means it rotates the generator and which produces the electricity. Basically what happens in this is the energy forms get changed. That is the water which is stored in the reservoirs or dams, which is in the form of potential energy, gets converted into kinetic energy when it falls in the turbines. And when the turbine rotates, it converts the kinetic energy of the water into mechanical energy and then into electrical energy. This is a simple working model of hydroelectric power generation. I have used a very simple things to make it, like a plastic tank, caps and some sticks to make a turbine, 12-volt DC motor, two pulleys, and a house means which I made, and a light bulb in the front. So in this what happens, I will make now the water to flow in this. Now what happens here is the turbine rotates, and when the turbine rotates, it rotates the DC motor, and when this DC motor rotates, it produces the electricity. Basically what happens here, the water which is in the form of potential energy gets converted into kinetic energy when it falls on the turbine, and when the turbine rotates, it rotates the DC motor, and when this DC motor rotates, it produces the electricity to the bulb. Basically here what happens, the energy conversion takes place, that is from potential energy into kinetic energy, then into mechanical energy, and then into electrical energy. So here we can see that by using simple methods also we can generate electricity in our houses, but also we can but in the actual procedure and all, they use so much complex methods, like using of big turbines and all, and big huge generators, and so much lot of electricity. So this was a working model of hydroelectric power generation. Thank you.